Hello my YouTube kids, welcome to Fun Club. Today the topic we are going to learn is about solving a bird puzzle. So please like and subscribe my channel to get more updated videos and don't forget to click on bell icon. So let's solve a bird puzzle. Six birds. Let's find them out. Identify the bird. The bird. حمامة الطيور. The bird. حمامة الطيور. Identify the bird. Turkey bird. أديك الرومي أديك التركيو. Turkey bird. أديك الرومي أديك التركيو. Identify the bird. Pigeon. حمامة. Pigeon. حمامة. Identify the bird. Stork bird. Stork bird. طائر اللقلق. طائر اللقلق. Identify the bird. البطريق. Penguin. البطريق. Identify the bird. Ostrich bird. نعامة. Ostrich bird. نعامة. All birds all together. Let's name them out. Dove. Turkey. Pigeon. Stork bird. Penguin. Ostrich. Thank you for your attention. Keep watching, keep sharing and keep maintaining healthy relationship. Take care. Bye-bye.